Have you ever wondered how software developers manage different versions of their code? If you've ever thought about the complex world of code versioning and repository management, then you're in for a treat. Welcome aboard as we delve into the intriguing world of Git and GitHub. First, let's tackle the question, what is a version control system? In the simplest terms, it's a system that records changes to a file or set of files over time, so you can recall specific versions later. It's like having a time machine for your code, allowing you to step back to a previous version if something goes wrong, or if you just want to explore a different path. This is where Git comes into play. Git is a distributed version control system, the most widely used in the world today. It's free, open source, and it handles everything from small to very large projects with speed and efficiency. Installing Git is as straightforward as it gets. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, or Linux, there's a version of Git for your operating system. Once installed, setting up a local repository, the heart of Git's functionality, is just a few commands away. You might have heard of commands like git add, git commit, git push, and git pull. These are the building blocks of Git's functionality. Git add stages changes for the next commit. Git commit saves your changes to the local repository. Git push sends your commits to the remote repository. And git pull updates your local repository with the latest changes from the remote repository. Now, let's talk about GitHub. It's a hosting service for Git repositories, but it's so much more than just a host. It provides several collaboration features like access control, task management, and feature requests, wrapped in a web-based graphical interface. GitHub allows you to create repositories to store your project's files and revision history. You can also create branches, which are essentially divergent paths from the main project, allowing you to work on different versions of your project at the same time. GitHub's pull request feature lets you propose changes to a project that others can review, making collaboration a breeze. And with issues, you can track bugs, enhancements, or any other kind of tasks related to your project. In essence, Git is the engine, and GitHub is the car. Git provides the underlying technology of version control, and GitHub provides a place to store your projects and collaborate with others. To wrap things up, here are some best practices for using Git and GitHub. Always write clear commit messages. It helps you and others understand what changes were made. Keep your branches focused, one branch for one feature or bug fix. And remember, commit early and often. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to understanding Git and GitHub. They're powerful tools in the world of software development, and with a bit of practice, they can help you manage your projects with ease and efficiency. Thanks for joining this journey, and remember, happy coding!